There's an awful lot of carrots in this stir-fry, more than 1,000 kilograms of vegetables and a few litres of Chinese cooking oil to help make this 6-hour cookathon a success. Leicester Square was the scene for Oriental chef and Chinese cooking expert Nancy Lam to promote a walkathon, the Great Walk of China, in which volunteers would walk the length of the Great Wall of China to raise monies for NCH, one of the largest children's charities in Britain. All the food and help were offered freely for this stunt to get the charity campaign underway. Chef Nancy Lam said they have hundreds of organisations to thank for this, 1,000 children to help, and their families to boot. She said, if you are so rich in this country, can't you give a little bit? Actress Jenny Agutter helped to eat the huge stir-fry. The cookathon lasts 6 hours, and by all accounts, all of the food was delicious.